Good day. This is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Thursday, November 9th, 2023. It is 12:56 and 42 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, pancreatic cancer. So let's jump to it here. High insulin levels, directly linked to pancreatic cancer. First detailed explanation of why people with obesity and type 2 diabetes are at increased risk of pancreatic cancer. Date October 31st, 2023. Source, University of British Columbia. The research demonstrates that excessive insulin levels overstimulate pancreatic acinar cells, which produce digestive juices. This overstimulation leads to inflammation that converts these cells into precancerous cells. The researchers say the findings may have implications for other cancers associated with obesity and type 2 diabetes, where elevated insulin levels may also play a contributing role in disease initiation. These findings help us understand how this is happening and highlights the importance of keeping insulin levels within a healthy range, which can be accomplished with diet, exercise, and in some cases, medications. The study focused on pancreatic ductal adenocarcinoma, the most prevalent pancreatic cancer and one that is highly aggressive with a 5-year survival rate of less than 10%. The incidence of pancreatic cancer is on the rise. By 2030, pancreatic ductal adenocarcinoma is expected to become the second leading cause of cancer-related deaths. While obesity and type 2 diabetes have previously been established as risk factors for pancreatic cancer, the exact mechanisms by which this occurred remain unclear. This new study sheds light on the role of insulin and its receptors in this process. They found that hyperinsulinemia directly contributes to pancreatic cancer initiation through insulin receptors and acinar cells. The mechanism involves increased production of digestive enzymes, leading to heightened pancreatic inflammation. While insulin is widely recognized for its role in regulating blood sugar levels, the study underscores its importance in pancreatic acinar cells. The findings show that insulin supports the psychological function of these cells in producing digestive enzymes that break down fat-rich foods, but at high levels, its increased action can inadvertently foster pancreatic inflammation and the development of precancerous cells. The scientific investigators and microbiologists say the findings may pave the way for new cancer prevention strategies and even therapeutic approaches that target insulin receptors and acinar cells. They hope this work will change clinical practice and help advance lifestyle interventions that can lower the risk of pancreatic cancer in the general population. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Nature of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.